Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to send a contact on WhatsApp. This is a simple and quick process, so let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send the contact. This could be an individual chat or a group conversation. Next, look for the paperclip icon. This is the attachment icon and is usually located at the bottom of your screen near the text input field. Tap on it to reveal a list of attachment options. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Contact. This will open up your contact list, showing all the people saved on your phone who are also available on WhatsApp. Now scroll through your contact list or use the search bar at the top to find the specific contact you want to share. Once you've located them, tap on their name. At this point, a preview of the contact's details will appear. Review the information to ensure it's correct, then tap on the Send button. This will immediately share the contact with your selected chat. And that's it. You've successfully sent a contact on WhatsApp in just a few easy steps. Whether you're helping someone connect with a mutual friend or sharing a business contact, this feature makes it incredibly convenient. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.